You are right. This tool is not perfect. In fact, it has an NSFW filter to prevent you from face swapping spicy content. Here is an example where I uploaded a photo with red lingerie, and all I got is a blurred image in the preview. Even if you try to generate the image, you will get nothing in the output. Let's try another image to see if we have a better luck this time. Nope, we still get a blurred image. And there are no errors in the terminal. This can be very frustrating, especially for people like us that are in the hybrid AI OFM business, simply because without NSFW content, we cannot make money. So, now what? Do we need another tool for NSFW content? Should we go back to Picasso? What if I told you that there is a solution, that there is a way to bypass the NSFW filter and generate unlimited NSFW face swap content? And it will cost you nothing, except from maybe around 5 minutes to apply this secret technique that disables the NSFW restrictions of Face Fusion. For Mimic PC, you can find the instructions below this video. Now, I will show you how you can install Face Fusion locally on your machine so you can generate unlimited face swap content, including NSFW photos, for free. The process is very straightforward and it will only take a few minutes. First, you must download Pinocchio app. I will leave the link in the instructions below this video. Then you open Pinocchio and click on Discover. In the search bar, type Face Fusion and select the app from the list. Hit on the download button and then select Install. Wait a few minutes until the required files are being downloaded. Then select Install and wait until the installation is completed. Once everything is ready, you will see a message running on local URL. Click on the URL to open the Face Fusion app. And there you have it. Face Fusion on your local machine, ready to face swap your photos for free. Let's try face swapping a few images. I haven't enabled the face enhancer, so the results can definitely be improved. I just want to show you how easy it is to face swap images on your local machine using Face Fusion. But wait, what about NSFW images? Let's give it a try. I will use the same image as before. As you can see, we are still getting a blurred image in the preview. Let me show you how you can bypass the NSFW restrictions. First, stop the Face Fusion app. Then go to Files, open the Face Fusion folder, and then again the Face Fusion folder. Now scroll down and look for a file with the name .py. Once you find it, click on it. At the top, you can find the probability limit variable, which is set to 0.8 by default. What you need to do is change this to 1.0 and then click on the Save button to save the changes. Now click on Run Default and select Start to launch Face Fusion once again. Wait a few seconds and then click on the URL to open it inside your browser. Let's try again with an NSFW photo to see if it worked. That's perfect. As you can see now, the preview image has no blur and we can now generate the final image. The output is not empty this time, so we can download the image without any issues. Congratulations. Now you can generate unlimited NSFW face swap content on your local machine for free. Once you are done with the Face Fusion app, just close the browser tab and hit the Stop button in Pinocchio to terminate the application. I will also include step-by-step instructions below this video, so make sure to check them out. If you like this tool, make sure to create a post in the community and share some of your results. This will encourage more people to try it out and see how powerful this tool is. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Hey everyone, it's great to have you back. Today, I'm really excited because we are going to dive into Face Fusion, a free AI tool that's perfect for creating killer content. We're exploring its face swap feature to help you craft unique professional-grade images and videos for your hybrid and AI models. Let's get started. In the first section of this video, I will show you how you can use Face Fusion in Mimic PC, a cloud-based, open-source AI platform that simplifies access to advanced AI tools for creating images, videos, and audio. In the second part of the video, I will show you how you can easily install Face Fusion locally on your machine and run it completely for free. Yep, that's right. If you have a GPU that can handle it, there is no need to pay for face swap tools like Picasso. First, we must set up Face Fusion. In Mimic PC, it is super easy. Find the Face Fusion app. In my case, it is in my recommended apps, and click on Get Started. For hardware, select the medium option and choose Bargain if it is available to save some credits. If you get a pop-up for the bargain option, just click Proceed and wait a few minutes until the app is loaded. Here, you can see the Face Fusion user interface. Do not let all these options to scare you. Face Fusion is a very powerful tool with a lot of customization options, but the default options are a great starting point if you don't feel like experimenting. To use the face swap feature for images, we need to upload a photo with the face of our model, which is called source, as well as the photo with the body, which is called target. You simply drag and drop the photo of your model's face into the source section and the photo with the body in the target section. As soon as you upload both photos, Face Fusion will start processing them. And on the top right, you can see a preview of the face swap. This is not the final result. It is a quick generation to show you how it will look like, so you can make any adjustments before the final generation, which typically takes longer. On the left side, under Processors, you can see various options, like Age Modifier, Expression Restorer, Face Editor, and Face Enhancer. The order in which these processes are applied can affect the final outcome. If you are going to use Face Enhancer, for example, make sure to always apply it last to get better results. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Start button to start the face swap generation. Once the generation is finished, you will see the image inside the output section. You can click on the Download button to download the image to your computer. Here you can see the final result of the face swap. As you can see here, when I zoom in, I can see her teeth, which look much better than the original photo. I will show you a side-by-side comparison later. Another useful processor is the Face Editor, which allows you to edit the face expressions of your model. You can adjust her mouth, her smile, or even her eyebrows. You can play with the available settings that are here on the left side and see what results you get. Try adjusting one parameter at a time and check the preview of the result before making the next change. If you don't like something, revert to the previous value or reset them to the default values. I don't like how the mouth looks in this photo, so I will make some adjustments. There are no best settings here. You have to try them out and find what works best for your image. You can also try other processors. The most important one is probably the Face Enhancer, which usually improves the results. Now, she looks much better, so let's generate the final image. I will download it and show you a side-by-side comparison with the original image. Here, you can see the face swapped image. I think her mouth looks better than the original. Here is the original image. As you can see when I zoom in, the face swapped image looks better and more realistic than the original, especially the mouth. As you can see, if you spent a few minutes, you can improve the results of the face swap. But I know that most of you do not want to waste time tweaking the settings inside Face Fusion, so I will show you how simple it is to use, just as a face swapper. Here we have the next image. Let's wait a few seconds for the preview to finish. Do you see these results? These are just perfect. All I had to do is drop the image and hit Generate. I will show you a couple more examples so you can see how good this tool is. As you can see, I am only using the Face Swapper and Face Enhancer processors. The others are just extras if you want to make adjustments, but they are not necessary. These results are amazing, better than Picasso in my opinion. Now you are probably thinking, there is no way that this tool is that good. There must have a flaw. And you are right, this tool is not perfect. In fact, it has an NSFW filter to prevent you from face swapping spicy content. Here is an example where I uploaded a photo with red lingerie and all I got is a blurred image in the preview. Even if you try to generate the image